Yeah, so we can start the demo session. Morning all. So am I audible?
Yes, we are able to hear you.
Yeah, great. So let me share my screen. Are you able to see the screen which I'm sharing?
No.
So let me reshare. Yeah. So hope you can see the screen now, right?
Yes, no.
Am I audible, guys? So
Yes,
everyone.
yes.
Okay, great. So in this session, we just go through the things what you guys are going to learn in the entire course, the 2 months or 45 days of session, which includes both manual and automation. So, but before going to that, I just want to introduce myself. Myself, Raju, and I have total 10 years of experience in both manual and automation work, and 5 years of experience as a trainer in both manual and automation part. There's a small introduction about myself. Just introduce yourself. Later we can start the demo session that. So nothing to explain in the introduction, just your name, where you are from, what exactly looking from the course so that we can plan accordingly.
No. Okay. Hi, Raju. Sangeeta here. Currently, I'm working for manual testing in Uber Eats
Okay.
since 2.6 years. So I'm looking for this automation course. So I joined this.
Oh, great. So how many years of experience you have?
Yeah, 2.6.
2.6. Okay, great. So you want to switch your manual career to automation. That's
Yes,
why you are
yes,
looking into the automation course.
yes. Yeah.
Great. Next.
Hi Raju, this is Funny Purnima here. Uh, I'm from Vijayawada and I'm having a total experience of 3 years in manual testing. So I want to switch my career to manual to automation. So I want to join this course.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
Yeah. Next.
Hi Raju, this is Mahesh Jangam. I'm from Vijayawada. My experience was 1.2. Joining this course to change my career to manual to automation.
Okay, great, Mahesh. Next.
Hi Raju, this is Ramesh. I'm into a kind of non-IT role. I'm looking into get an expertise in automation, and I want to switch my career to automation tester.
Okay. Do you have any idea on the manual testing part? As you said that you are from non-IT, right? So,
Yes, I do have a knowledge in manual testing.
okay, fine, great. Next.
Hi Raju, this is Manikanda.
Okay.
I'm also having non-IT experience, around 7 years of experience.
Okay.
So I want to switch my career into IT side, like testing,
Yeah, either manual or automation, which you want to switch.
automation.
Okay, great. So hope everyone done. Anyone else? Renee. Shravani is done.
Hi, Shravani. I have a career gap. I'm looking for options in manual and automation testing.
Okay. So do you have knowledge on the manual testing, or else you are looking for the manual concepts too?
Yeah, I'm looking for both manual and automation. I don't have any knowledge. I just Google or got some knowledge from online. That's it. Yeah.
Okay, great. So who else, Renee?
Hello. Hello.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Srijan.
this is Sricharan. I have 7 months of experience in non-IT technical support, so I want to switch my career to manual testing right now. So I just
Oh,
want to. This is entirely new for me, so I just.
okay, great. Next, Snehal. Snehal raised your hand, right? Yeah. So just introduce yourself, Snehal. Am I audible, Snehal? So I think you're speaking on mute.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
My name is Nehal. I am from Hyderabad. I am a non-IT professional, and I don't have any knowledge about manual and automation testing. One of my friends suggests to take a course, so I registered in that. I don't have
Oh,
any knowledge about it.
okay. You are from?
I am from Hyderabad. I am a electrical engineering.
Okay. So currently you are working as an electrical engineer, right?
Yes.
Okay, great. Yeah, fine. So I think everyone is done with your introduction, right? So a total 9 members are there. Of course, out of nine, 3 to 4 members are looking for both manual and automation, and rest of the members are looking for the manual too, right?
Yes.
Great. So here, just see that. So first we can see the difference, what exactly the manual QA will do, what exactly the automation QA will do, so that we have an idea that which we can go better and which we have the scope in the future. Okay. Yeah. So first, let me go through about the few things which can differentiate the manual QA and automation QA. Can anyone tell the difference between the manual QA and automation QA? So what exactly the difference? Anyone have an idea that before coming to the course, you may research something, right? So what exactly automation is, what exactly manual is? Anyone of you?
Yes, Raju, in manually we'll do testing. In automation, we do with some tools like API tools. I don't have that much knowledge, but just I know this. I will use with tools in automation, some codes, some basic Java things.
Yeah, great. Yes, exactly. So in manual and automation, so we can use tools in both. It's not only in the automation, we can use in the manual too. But the difference between the manual and automation is in manual, we should have more manual efforts like that. We need to sit and we need to execute each and every step in the test case and everything, all the scenarios. If you consider a login page, we need to validate all the scenarios of the login, like by giving the different inputs like valid username, valid password, and invalid details. And without giving the details, we are going to submit the login button. All the possibility cases need to be verified through manual. But if we consider it to the automation testing, first we need to write the script for those cases. Okay, so the login possibility cases we can list out in some tool like test trailer, test link. We have different tools to maintain the test cases. And after that, we need to be automate by using a few tools and programming languages which we mentioned in the screen, either Selenium or IDE, Eclipse or Java, test engine, whatever framework we can use, and we are going to write the script for those cases once. After writing the test cases, we can run it very easily. It doesn't mean that. So we can run it on the single click based on the automation what we did. If we link it with the Jenkins, we can schedule also. No need to do the manual efforts, like no need to sit until all the cases executed on the laptop. Okay. So if it is manual, we need to do the manually. Okay, so you need to open the browser manually, you need to enter the application manually, you need to go to the login page manually, you need to enter the details in the login page manually, and everything has to be done in the manual. But coming to the automation, initially we will list out the test cases and we will write the scripts for that, and we can run the scripts whenever we need to run those test cases. Okay, there's a major difference between the manual and automation. So in current market, which testing has the more what I can say buzz and more scope in the future? Can anyone?
I think automation.
Guys, the session should be the interactive session so that you have an idea to explore the things in the testing and QA field, and you guys can learn more things if you are interactive. Okay. So what exactly have the scope in the future is both manual and automation. Few of the people will tell that automation have more scope because the manual anyone can do. And second thing, few members will tell that only manual have the scope, automation can be done through the AI tools. Okay, so both are myths. Manual QA has their own importance, automation QA has their own importance. So in manual QA, what exactly done is it will improve the thinking power of the human. Okay, the missions, however you train the missions, it will not be the equal to the human brain. Remember that point. So even if you train the AI, okay, it will not be a equal to human brain. So whenever you guys are working as a manual QA, the thinking ability and logic ability of the analytical behavior of the person has to be increased for the manual QA. They know more things than the automation people. Okay, so manual QA has their own importance. And coming to the automation QA, few members are telling that the we have the AI tools, it will replace the automation QA. No, it's wrong. So without the a person who have knowledge, the AI will also not work because, for example, let's consider I got placed in a Google. Okay, so I have a project to automate a few cases. For example, I have used the AI and I have scripted all the cases for that project and everything goes well. Suddenly, the project was crashed or else suddenly the cases are failing. Okay. If you are not aware about the concepts and if you don't know the knowledge of the automation, how you can resolve that? Will AI helps you to resolve that errors? If you ask the AI will give a code to you. Okay, we can use the AI as a automation testers to make our work simple. Okay, but we need to know the concept, how that logic works also. If you don't know, after getting the issues, will AI comes and resolve that issue?
No.
No.
No, right? So you guys has to learn the concepts first. We can use the AI. For example, I want to do the automation. I want to write the automation script through Selenium for the login page. If you ask the same prompt in the Copilot or ChatGPT, it will give a script. But how you can integrate that script into your project? Will it integrate directly? Will it works if you integrate directly copying and pasting there? No, right? So you need to integrate by resolving the issues. Okay, instead of that, you can write by your own. Sometimes you may feel like that only because copying from the AI tools will not be a feasible every time. Okay, sometimes you feel both that you feel difficult that it's better if you write by your own instead of taking the code from the AI tools. Okay, that's the importance of the manual and automation QA. Okay, so whatever role, it's not about the QA or developer or DevOps, whoever it is, business analyst, product owner. So everywhere. So somewhat AI tools are better for the product teams like business analyst, product owners, product managers to prepare the documentation purpose. Yeah, it will be useful to them more. But coming to the QA part and developer part, it will be a bit less only. Okay, sometimes you may feel that it won't be useful to you as well. Okay, in real time. Okay, by namesake in the YouTube videos and some other things, most of the people are telling that we have the Gen AI and everything, we can get into things very easily. But without knowing the concept, it will not work you. It will not works to you. Okay, fine. And next, coming to the manual testing part, in this course, you guys are going to learn the three categories of things. First thing, you guys are going to learn the theoretical part. Okay, so theoretical part means what type of testings we have and what exactly the software development life cycle is and what exactly the bug life cycle is. What is the terminology we used in the manual testing part and what is the roles and responsibilities as a manual tester. All the theoretical parts will comes under the section 1. And section 2 is we are going to teach you few tools which is used in the manual testing part like where we can store the test cases and where we can manage the project like Jira tool and test trial or test link tool. Okay, so these type of tools are going to be explained in the section 2. And section 3 is a project. So if you are working as a manual tester, if suddenly project comes to you, how to deal it, how to prepare the documentation, how to create the test plan as a lead or manager, how to create the test suite, everything is going to be explained in the manual testing part. These are the 3 sections we have to be there in the manual testing part. After that, we'll share one interview questions document of, after completion of the manual testing part. That interview questions have almost 100 questions, which helps you to crack some interviews who is having that manual testing part. This is the basic thing which we have, which covers the functional UI testing, not API testing. Okay, and coming to the automation part, you guys are going to learn many things. We have many tools in the automation thing that you need to be learn. Coming to the here, if you see in the screen, these all tools you guys are going to be learn in the automation part. First one is programming. So we have different programs in the market like Oops Concepts, Java, Python, JavaScript, many things we have. But in this course, you guys are going to learn the Java, because start with one language. If you are expert in this course by picking up any one language or one tool, automatically after completion of the course, you have an interest of exploring the other tools based on the projects what we have. First, concentrate on one thing. And tool, we have different tools: Selenium, Playwright, Cypress, WebDriver.io, and few more things also there in the market. In this course, you guys are going to learn the Selenium part. And coming to the frameworks, we are going to teach you TestNG and Cucumber both. And the next one is build tool. It's nothing but we have the different build tools in the market like Maven, Gradle, and all those things. So in this course, we are going to use the Maven. Whatever things we are selecting to teach you in the course is going to be used widely in the market. That's the reason why I picked that. And the next one is central repository system. Whatever code you are writing need to be stored in one central resource, central repository, right? So because a single person will not work on single project, right? So multiple peoples are working on the single project. So all together code will stored in the single place. For that purpose, we are using the central repository system, either GitHub or Bitbucket. But most of the practice is going on the GitHub in our course. And next one is VCS. It doesn't mean that version control system. So as I said that not only single person works on the project, right? Different people working on single project on the different laptops. So you guys has to push your code from your different laptops to single position, right? So to push that, we need few commands. That control is happen through the version control system, which is nothing but a Git or SVN. Okay. In this course, you guys are going to learn the Git. Okay. So next one is editor. So if you want to do all these things like programming tool, framework, build tool, CRS, VCS, if you want to integrate all those things, so we need some basic tool editor. Okay. If you want to do all these operations, you need to do in one editor, right? So in market, we have widely Eclipse, VS Studio, Visual Studio, IntelliJ, and many things. And I prefer the Eclipse to the beginners to get the things very clear. And if you want, you can use VS Studio or IntelliJ also. It's up to you. But the practices are going on the Eclipse. And if you want to practice in other tools also, you can explore it. And if you have any concerns and doubts also, you can reach out to me. I will help out you. And next one is very, very important tool, CI/CD tool, continuous integration and continuous deployment tool. It's nothing but a Jenkins. We can schedule the test runs. As I said that I'm the manager now, so I'm giving a task to you guys now to execute the 100 test cases test suite night 9 p.m. Okay, but your what we can say, your shift is done by the 7 p.m. but your task is 9 p.m. So what you guys can do is you can schedule the test suite running to the 9 p.m. in the Jenkins with the help of the scheduled jobs. We have different jobs in the schedule in the Jenkins tool. You can schedule it automatically. It will runs at the 9 p.m. and it will generate report to your configured mails. Either it may be manager mail or else your mail, whatever you configured, it will send the report to you. Okay. These all are the things what you guys are going to learn. Okay. So what exactly you are going to learn in the project perspective in the automation? Okay, we have one in e-commerce project is going to be teaching the automation part, and manual part we are going to teach a HRM tool. Two domains is covered in the entire course. Okay, so all this after explanation of all these concepts or else simultaneously while explaining, the project is also getting started. Okay. So what all are advantages we have if you guys are going to be joining this course in this institute? Okay, so institute by institute, the things will be different, but in this institute, it's very lucky to be join you guys. So here, this is actually 24th batch. So we completed almost 23 batches from manual and automation courses. We provided the dedicated materials to them. Okay, so what exactly the how the materials will looks like, so we'll share it in the tomorrow demo session too. So I will show you to explore the documents how it looks like. So it was very crystal clear that the question and answer will be there, the concept title will be there, the concept solution will be there. So it was very easy to track on it after completion of the course also. And the course timings are 8:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. for now. So we'll take a feedback from you guys that the feasibility time from you so that we can plan accordingly the times. So we'll check the feasibility of you and me and we can plan the timing. So for now we fixed it as a 8:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. We'll take a feedback from you guys who joined after completion of the session. So then we can plan it accordingly the timings. And next one, the institute will take the mock interviews. It's not mandatory session. After completion of the course, if anyone want to test yourself that where you are after learning the course, then you guys can give your names to the institute. They will take the mock interviews. And next one, resume preparations for the jobs in the local and on-site outside the India too. So outside the India, we need to prepare a bit dedicated the resumes because in India at least, however you prepare, they will read. But outside the India, they will not pick your resume also if it's not in the proper format. Okay, we need to teach everything in clear. And after that, we'll explain you how to explore the jobs in the LinkedIn and some other job portals, and everything is going to be teach you. But one thing we can promise you, we can give support to you whenever you require after completion of the course also. It's in the perspective of explaining the things, not like giving the jobs. A few members are expecting in the courses, yeah, we done almost 23, right? A few members will expect like that we will help you to give the jobs. It's not in my hand, right? So it's all about the knowledge what you gain, the how you are applying. We will teach you how to explore and how to apply for the jobs, and it's in your hand how to get the job by proving yourself in the interview. Okay, this is all about the basic demo session on my introduction part and the manual and automation differences and what are tools you guys are going to learn and what are advantages we mostly have in this course. Okay, so if you have any doubts, you can ask me now. So feel free to ask your doubts, guys. Don't hesitate. Whatever doubts you have, you guys can, yeah. So whoever joined in the course, just WhatsApp on this message that you have joined in the demo session. They will follow up for the further details. Okay. So hope you just note this WhatsApp number and you can follow up. Okay. So fine. So whatever doubts you have, I think a few members joined newly in between also, right? So you guys can introduce yourself who joined recently, that your name, where you are from, what your experience and what you're expecting from the course. I think two people are joined, right? Shashi Rupa and Jayasree. Samantha B. So three members are joined, I think so. Right? First, let's introduce these three new members and then we can go with the doubts. Yeah, go ahead, Samantha.
Yeah, hi. My name is Sumata. I have 7.9 years of experience in manual testing. Now I took some break in career, so now I want to switch to Selenium.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Next. Next one. Rupa or Jayashree. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, hi everyone. I'm Jayashree. My domain is not even testing. It was previously cybersecurity, networking, telecom. I worked in different domains, but I have in all domains. I have shifts. Night shifts would be more, so I wanted to shift the domain. So that is why I came to testing. So now I am looking now with my experience. Total, I have 8 years of experience. With my experience, everyone are asking now. Testing means automation, right? So that is why I wanted to learn automation and I wanted to move to this domain, testing domain. So that is why I'm looking for a good like course so that I can learn and I can build my career. So that is why I'm searching. So that is why I'm looking for this. So now I joined for demo class due to this reason.
Okay, great.
Thank you.
Next. Next.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hi, this is Shashi. I have 4 years of work experience in manual testing. In our project, we didn't use any internal manual testing tools. Actually, we have used that internal tools only, so that I don't know manual testing deeply. That's why I have joined in automation testing and manual testing.
Okay, great. Yeah, fine. So we're done with introduction. If you have any doubts after listening the demo, so you guys can ask me.
Hello, sir. Monisha this side.
Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, will you give demo on this programming tools also, like programming languages like Java, Python? Because we should know how you are teaching the programming side also, no, sir. Tomorrow, will you teach a simple demonstration on programming languages also?
Sure. If need, we will give it a small demo on the programming language. So usually the demo will be happen on some development life cycles what we have in the QA part. But
Yes.
if you want us to explain in the programming part of Java also, we will give demo on the programming tomorrow.
Sure, sir. Thank you, sir.
So first, what you will be starting with, manual or automation?
Not yet decided. Usual process is first the manual is going to be happened. After completion of that, automation course is going to be started. So let's see that the institute person will reach out to you to get that thing to you, because the few people are interested with the manual testing too, right? So I am also thinking you to start the automation first, because most of the people are looking for the automation, and after completion of the automation, we'll take a manual, the people who interested for the manual too.
Okay.
Yeah, hi Raju. The tools you are mentioning, are they used only in India or also outside India anywhere? Actually, I'm in Malaysia.
Sorry,
So,
excuse me.
yeah, I'm in Malaysia. Currently, I'm searching here. You mentioned in the tools, right? Some tools. So, are they used only in India or anywhere?
Anywhere it will use. The QA will be the same even if you are in Pakistan too.
Okay.
Okay. So the tools will be the same. The resume format will be different. Okay,
Oh,
that's why I mentioned specifically in the resume session part.
okay. Mostly here they are asking about that finance domain and projects. They are asking about experience on finance and this insurance domain. So,
Yeah, if you learn one domain, automatically you can do it anywhere. So it's all about just exploring the things in the project. They will give some time after you join. So you need to explore the things that. So first you should learn how to do the exploratory testing.
Okay.
So how many years of experience you have?
Yeah, 2.6.
Okay, great. Fine. So any other doubts?
Hello, sir. Is there any on manual testing, like on live projects, like we
Yes, yes.
work on like only tools using only Jira or any other tools like we have to export right now according to the job market. So
Yeah, we are going to see the live project of the HRM tool in the manual testing part. So you have the live experience too, live project experience.
so these tools like are used in mostly in like in startups, like if we want to aim for on this manual testing, like for looking for a job, these
Yes.
only Jira is only used, right?
Yes, Jira and test trail also is going to be used in the many organizations outside the market.
Okay, right now, so we are learning both, or only
Learning both,
exposure?
learning both. You guys are going to learn the test trail is different, that which can manage the test cases. Jira is different. It's about the project management. Both you can learn.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh, great. So any other doubts?
Like
Tools you mentioned, right? Selenium, Playwright. This is all you will be covering, right? In the course.
Only Selenium is going to be covered. I'm telling that the types of tools we have in the market, out of all, we are going to teach you Selenium. It's a common, widely used thing in the market. Playwright, we have the dedicated courses, and WebDriver, we have the .io, we have the dedicated courses.
So
If
you're
you guys
covering
are
test
going
ng
to,
and Cucumber
yeah, go ahead, go.
framework.
Yeah, both TestNG and Cucumber, both you guys are going to know.
This
POM,
Cucumber is
page
a
object
BDD
model.
framework.
Sorry, one by one, please.
Page object model.
Yes, it covers.
Okay.
As we are using the Maven, right? So it covers the POM framework.
This Cucumber is a BDD framework, right?
Yes, exactly.
So the Cucumber and TestNG will be covered in detail or on high level only?
It will covered in detail only. No high level things will be happened. So like, so how to write the what I can say Cucumber files, feature files, and after that how to integrate with the step definitions followed by the page objects. That's the flow wherever you learn. It's not high level or it's not depth. Everything will be the same.
Okay.
The way you are learning will brings up to you this question. That's it.
Okay. Cool.
plus, like how long the manual testing going to be happen? Like
Manual testing will be there for 10 to 15 days, and automation testing will be there for 45 days to 60 days or something. So it's based on if you have a gap like that, few members are not available due to some festivals or something. Some festivals, if you need holidays, then it will take some time. And few members are not available and requested to don't take class on the particular day. So in that case, the time will varies, but most of the things within 2 months or 45 days, the course is going to be finished. Okay.
Is only weekday batches, right? There is no classes on weekends.
Yeah, we don't have class on the weekend. We have only classes on the weekdays, Monday to Friday.
So both will be finished in 45 days even, right?
45 days to 60 days it will be happen.
Okay.
Based on the duration we are taking the class.
Okay. Also, like, how is the market for
How is?
testing? How is the market? It is difficult or easy?
Yeah, already told you this point in the demo session itself, right? So market is good.
Okay.
Usually this is the phase we get great opportunities now, November, December, January, February. So this quarter or this 4 months phase is very important to get into the companies. I can see the money openings in the Naukri too.
Okay.
Okay, great. So first we can choose the automation part. So because out of 14 members, 70 to 80% people are interested with automation part. So what we can do is tomorrow we can take a small demo session on the Java, and we can start the classes in automation first from Monday. And then after completion of the automation, we can go through the manual part. The people who are interested for the manual testing too. Okay. So if you guys are interested, after listening of the tomorrow demo session or else after today class, please try to reach out the institute persons to get joined into the uh, course and book your slot early because the slots are very less. We won't take much people and we will take only limited people to connect with them frequently that to know what their guys are learning. If the more students will get difficult for us to track the things that what they are learning. So please try to reach out them. They will help out you. Okay. So already they shared a number in the chat. You can message in the WhatsApp like that you joined in the demo session. They will reach out you to get clarified the things with you. Okay. Right. So yeah, any doubts?
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
I don't know any language. Can I learn Java? It's a very beginner language or it's a difficult for me to understand?
We are going to teach from the scratch only, so everyone can understand very easily. Like we can teach from alphabets, like in generic languages. So like variables and loops, concepts, branching statements, everything from scratch is going to be learned. What are data types and everything. So you guys
Hi
can
guys,
understand very
thanks for
easily.
joining.
Okay.
So where we are
Yeah, great. Fine. So we can join in the tomorrow session at the same time and we can see a small demo session on Java too. So we can start automation first followed by manual testing. So okay. So don't forget to message in the a number which shared in the chart that you joined in the demos. Okay. So thank you all for joining. Have a nice day. So anyone
Hi sir, good morning. A small clarification.
yeah.
Have any possibility to change the timings?
Yeah, we can discuss the timings in the tomorrow class too. So you guys can confirm your timings so that we can discuss on it. So
Fine.
just drop in the chat that which time is feasible to you guys so that I can plan accordingly. Just drop in the chat, everyone, your
Okay.
name and your feasible time. Just drop in the chat now.
Sir, we have to reach out about to the number you provided, right? About the course, like how to join the institute, right?
Yeah, you can message this to that you joined in the demo session and like you can send the time in the message like which time is comfortable to you so that we can plan accordingly. The majority of the timings we can plan.
So what you said is like first in automation, right? So for
Yes, yes.
manual testing, like we have to join at a specific date or like we have to join from the start, like what?
You are looking for only manual course.
Yes, sir. Well, I'm looking for manuals
If
because
you
it is
guys are
entirely
looking,
new for me.
yeah, it's not a linked thing. So even if you learn the automation, independent also. So after learning the manual also, yeah, automation also, you can learn the manual things. The combination is good to learn actually. But if you are interested only for manual course, then what you can do is you can connect and get in touch with the institute people. They will help out you to remember the time when it started. Okay.
Like it's entirely new for me, so I just want to know the testing domain, like manual.
Yeah, it
Then
will, the theoretical concepts will comes under with the automation course too. I will include those two in the manual things which the people are not aware. So it gets cleared if your starts from the automation too. It's not an issue.
thank you.
Yeah, that's it. I think I can see many members are joined, but messages are very less. Only 7 members are messaged. What about others? Others don't want any timing issues. I can see 13 members are there, but in chat we have very less. Yeah, fine. I can see the different timings. So it's very difficult that to take on different timings for different people. So as per by seeing the things, it's better to stick to the same timings. That most of the people, if you see that first three members are fine with the 8:30. Yeah, Sangeeta is also fine with 8:30. And if you consider the other timings, Ramesh is also fine with 8:30. And it was completely different. The Sheikh Karamullah has given the two different time zones. And coming to the Mahesh, 9 to 10 means it will be fine if you start at 30 minutes before, right? So Sai Charan is also fine. So I think one or two members may face issue if I start at 8:30. So, but majority of the people is opted for the 8:30. We can stick to the same time that we can be there at 8:30. Okay. So the time zone will be the same. We can start at 8:30 only. So just check your flexibility and you can respond to the number which is shared in the chart. Okay, if you have any time concerns, you can reach out the institute persons once, but majority of the people are opted for the 8:30 and sticking to the same. Okay, so tomorrow the people who all are interested to join, please be there in the class at the same time at 8:30 and we can see the demo session on the Java. Okay, so thank you all. Have a nice day.